Hey, this is Kelsey, and welcome to this video about the blueprint to affiliate business hub sales. So, this video right here is going to show you the secret sauce to how you can get hub sales in your affiliate marketing business. So, mastering sales is going to be extremely important for you and your business when it comes to making money with affiliate marketing. And there's 5 P's that I want to share with you in this video. And it starts off with this first P, which is problem. If you want sales in your affiliate marketing business and you want to generate it from your affiliate hub, then you will need to have the problem clearly defined on your affiliate hub. You need to be clear about what is the result that you deliver, and you want to make sure that that message is clear on your affiliate hub. The next P that's important to your affiliate hub sales is the product. You want to make sure that from whatever problem that you solve, that you have identified affiliate products that you want to offer to your buying audience. You want to identify products that's going to help solve the problem that you say that you solve. The next P is the place. And this is your actual affiliate hub. These are your hub pages where you are presenting the benefits of the products that you are recommending to your buying audience that's going to help them solve their problems. Now, this place is where your system will go into operation, and it's pretty much a sales system, and this is specifically designed to make sure that the communication is there when it comes to why the product that you're recommending is going to be clearly a solution that your buying audience will want to get their hands on. Okay, so the next P now is people. And people is like the fuel to the engine. If the place is the engine, your home online, your affiliate hub is that engine, then the fuel makes that engine work. The engine makes the vehicle move, which is your product. So you want it to move like in sales. And once it's moving, it's going to now get your buying audience to their place of destination, which is equivalent to them solving their problem. So to do a great job of identifying the people with the problem, then you want to go out and you want to identify and locate where these people are. And you want to make sure that they are the ones who have need of the products that you are promoting in the marketplace. And then finally, the last P is promote. And promote is like the filter to the fuel. We want to make sure that that fuel is clean, meaning you want to make sure that the people that you're reaching out to is a targeted group of people. You want to make sure it's the people that you're attracting who can definitely use the products that you're promoting. So in your promotional efforts, you want to make sure that you're talking to the problem that you solve. When you have that type of messaging, you're sure to attract the right people because they're going to clearly see that you have something that they need. Okay, so these are the 5 P's going to help you to master sales and convert all of the traffic that you're sending to your affiliate hub into buyers. Okay, so in review, the 5 P's here, what we're looking at is problem, products to solve the problem, a place to present the products, people to visit your place and learn about the products, and then promotion of the benefits of the products that you are offering and presenting at your place. So I hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching today's video. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification to be notified when I drop new videos. Also, like the video and place a comment if you would like to comment on today's content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.